Good evening to all who are watching this video. In this video, we will see how to convert a answer sheet into the PDF using only browser. If you have don't have any app like Can Scanner or any other app that will make the PDF of given sheet by scanning it, then you can just click the photographs of your answer sheet in using your camera, and then you can convert that photos into the PDF. So we will discuss that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Here I am telling you that I will use my phone camera for clicking. So I have the answer sheet with me, and the answer sheet is containing 4 pages. So using this camera from this option, this is my phone camera, and okay, so this is my phone camera, and I will use this phone camera to take the pics of my answer sheet. So this is my phone camera, and I hope in everyone's phone camera is available, so you can take the photographs of your answer sheet with the help of your phone camera, like I am taking here. So you can see how to so this is the first page of my answer sheet, and I am focusing on it. Students, please focus before taking the photograph, because if it will be blur, then it will be difficult to check the sheets. So this is page number 2, and next is page number 3. This is the page number 3, and after focusing on it, I have to take the photograph, and this is the page number 4. So this is a demo, and I am just taking 4 sheets. So these 4 sheets are available in the gallery. You can see here, these are the photographs, 4 photographs that I have taken, and they are not in portrait, they are not straight, so I have to rotate them. You can check here. So I have edited it and rotated in this way. You have to do the same, because last time we have seen that students are sending the images, one image is in which portrait, one image is in upward direction. So you have to send proper sheet. I will show you at the end what is the proper sheet. So you have to rotate your phone's photograph. It will just take 1.5 minutes. It will not consume your so much time, like you can say it will not consume your 15 to 20 minutes. It will just take 1 minute. You have to pay attention. You have worked hard for 2 hours, then you have to, why you have to send the unnecessary images or blurred images. So this is the page number 1. So I have rotated it. So four of the pages are rotated now, and I am deleting the unnecessary pages. So unnecessary pages I am deleting. And now, so I am deleting these photographs which are not required. So this one, and now I have the, again you can see here, wait, you can see here 4 images are there. Wait, now you can see 4 images are there. Wait, now you can see here 4 images are there which are required one. These are the 4 images which are required. So I hope it is clear. So you have to keep those images which are required. So these 4 are required. Now how to convert these 4 into PDF, that we will discuss. So then these are the 4 images that are required, and now I have to open my phone browser. So I am opening the Google Chrome browser. Please check. I am opening the Google Chrome browser. In your phone browser, you can open the UC browser or any other browser that is available in your phone. But I think Google Chrome is available in everyone's phone. In every Android phone, Google Chrome is available. So you can open it, and after opening, you have to type here. I will show you what you have to type. You have to type here online to PDF. So this wording you have to type here. Okay, wait. You have to type here online to PDF. You can see here Okay, let's pause this one. Okay, you can see here I am writing online to PDF, and after the search, here you can see this will open. वेट स्टूडेंट वेट, इसको थोड़ा स्लो करते हैं ना, प्लेबैक स्पीड लिटिल बिट स्लो. So I have to search this word. Word is online to PDF. This word I have to search, and after making the search on Google, I will see this result, and first tab I have to open, and after that this tab will open. So here you can select the files. So here you can select the files. Here you can select your required files जो आपने select करनी है. So you can select multiple files, you can select one file, or you can select two files, you can select four files. As in my answer sheet there are four files. So now I have to select that. Check how I am selecting. I have to click here on select files, then I have to browse, then this tab will open, and I have to open images. After images I have to open camera, and I have to select first image. So after selecting first image, this file name will appear here. This is the file name of that first image, and then I have to again click on browse. So then I have to select the next image. So then I am selecting the second one. You have to check that, you have to continuously check that these files names should not be same, because if these file names are same, that means you have selected one image two times. You have to check these file names. These file names should be, these all files name should be different, because अगर इनमें से कोई भी दो सेम हो जाएंगे, that means you have selected the one image two times. So you have to select these all the files. Please check the sheets that you have. If you have the four pages of your answer sheet, then you can check here, four of them are selected. Then you have to merge these files. These options are by default, and then you have to click on convert. Here you have to click on this convert, and after conversion this will happen. I was just using the Wi-Fi, so that's why its internet speed was low, so I have changed it. इसके बाद मैंने change किया था थोड़ा सा. So after that I have switched to my mobile mode. I have switched it to my mobile mode, and after that, after browsing four images like this one, you can see. Okay, these are the four images, and after that with the mobile data you can convert it in few seconds. So you can check the speed now. This is the speed of mobile data. I was using earlier Wi-Fi. So uploading your files, these four files are now uploaded, and now it is conversion. You can see here conversion file 2 of 4. So file 2 is converting now, then file 3, then file number 4, and after that it will automatically give you the file here. So you can you have the two options now. Okay, you have the two options now. After this you have the two options. One of them is you can download the file from here also. Please wait. Okay, so यहाँ से मैनुअली भी कर सकते हो, मैनुअली भी ऑप्शन आता है. So it will be downloaded. Here you can see this file is just now 2.79 MB. I will show you the actual size also. I will tell you the actual size of four images, that what is the actual size of that four images if you have to attach in mail. So now this file is downloaded, and it will be in file manager. Here you can see in the file manager docs, under the docs it is downloaded, and this is the first file. Wait, so you can check here. Here is the file, and this is the file size is 2.92 MB. So this is the file size. Now you have to rename it and send on mail ID of teacher. So this is the file size. You can see the PDF is more clear, and 4 pages are available. You have to check that 4 pages before sending to the teacher. You have to check that 4 pages, and after that you can rename your file. Okay, after that you can rename your file like I am doing here. Then you have to click on this more option, and then you have to rename your file with your respective words. You can give any name according to the question paper, like I am giving physics paper physics 12 Rohit. Then you have to mention your name also, and after that you have to open it, and you have to click here this one. But you see here where you have to click. After renaming you have to open it, and you have to click on these 3 dots and then send file. Then you will get many options. You can send it to Classroom also, you can send it to Google Classroom, or you can send it on Gmail depending upon the requirement. So otherwise in the Google Classroom you can attach the PDF file from your phone, and but you have to basically attach the PDF file. This is the motive of this video, because last time we have seen some students are sending the images, they are not proper images. One is in upward, one is in left alignment, one is in right alignment. So that does not seem good, and we find it difficult to check your image, check your answer sheets. So that's why this video is created, that how to convert the answer sheet that you have, how to convert the answer sheet into the PDF file without using any app. If you don't have any app, then how to convert? Basically you have to take the images of that sheet, photographs of that image with your phone camera, and you can open this link, that is online to PDF. So I am writing here that link again. So the link is online to PDF. So this is the link. You can search on Google online to PDF. In this link you can attach many pages, 10 to 14 pages I think आपके होंगे. So online to PDF, this you have to search on Google, and after that you have to select the link, and you have to browse your files, and then it will make the combined PDF. Then you can rename your PDF, and you can send on teacher mail ID, or you can attach in the Google Classroom. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding how to convert the PDF, then you can ask. You can try it on Sunday, a day before the examination. Tomorrow is Sunday, so you can take the 3 or 4 screenshots of your notebooks. Then you can check it that you are able to make a PDF properly. If it is good, then you can like and share this video. So tomorrow you have to try this link. From tomorrow you have to try this link, and you have to, if you are facing some problem, then you can discuss with me, or you can discuss with your class teachers. So thank you so much. I hope this time the students will send proper PDF of examination on teacher's mail ID as well as in classroom. So thank you so much. Take care, and use this link to convert the photographs that you have taken in the phone using camera into the PDF. So thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.